for my next mastermind session in orthopedic medicine, which will start next week. And I'm happy to welcome 4 new guests. Their name tags are already ready, but I'm really excited about meeting them for the first time. 2 guests from India, 1 from Slovenia and 1 from Germany. I'm sure we're going to have a fantastic week together. And of course, for my guests, there is the special MasterMind Orthopaedic Medicine toolbox. And what's in the toolbox? Well, this is something you can discover when you are my mastermind guest.